So today let's talk about the difference between a salary and a dividend. And both are about taking money from the business, but the timing, the strategy and the tax is totally different. So if we look at the salary first,
but
a salary is paid monthly, it's a fixed amount,
if you actually face
it goes through the payroll.
It is
the tax on the salary is through the individual tax bracket. So it all depends where on the bracket scale the salary fits.
We all say
now,
we want this
if you work in the business,
we want to grow the business.
You get a reward for working in the business, and that is your salary.
We want a peaceful home.
So your salary is a predictable income. But it will help you managing your personal financial situation.
We don't follow up on
the other benefit of a salary is
you
can deduct the salary from income. In other words,
instead,
less income
we wish
means less profit, means less tax.
And then we wonder why nothing.
A dividend, on the other hand, is your share of the profit for being a shareholder in the business.
But remember, growth starts.
And a business can only pay a dividend when the business makes money, when there is a profit.
You need to make a decision.
And the dividend only gets paid after the company has paid tax
with all the
on the profit.
Around,
and that tax currently is 27%. So if the board of directors approve a dividend, you are or the company is going to pay an additional 20% tax on that dividend.
Do this and that. And
so a dividend is not guaranteed. It all depends on the profit. If there's no profit, there's no dividend.
On your cell phone screen.
So a dividend is a return on the investment. So actually, if you work in your business on a day-to-day basis, it is recommended that you get a salary. See it this way. A salary feeds you, whereas a dividend grows your wealth. So why is this important? It is important because it helps you to manage the finances of your business. It helps the business to present reliable financial statements. So it also helps with the situation where business owners just take money from the till, their living expenses. So that messiness is sorted out. So if you've got any questions regarding should you take a salary, when to take a dividend, you are welcome to contact me. We will gladly assist you. If you find this content valuable, please like and share the content. And if you've got any questions that you want me to answer in the future, please leave it in the comments below.
Feel good that you've done.
Looking forward to talking to you again.